Do you want to start making money with CPA marketing? If yes, you can actually go on to using this strategy, which I'm going to show you right here in today's video, as this strategy actually helped me to make similar amounts, of which you can actually see right here. This is one of the strategies I actually use daily to go on to making money with CPA marketing. And guys, we're going to be using this platform right here called CPAgrip in conjunction right now with this particular AI tool called li.io. So do watch this video, learn this simple strategy and go on to utilizing this, because I've not actually showed you this strategy right here before. And if you utilize this quite alright, you'll be able to go on to getting lots of traffic to your CPA marketing offers and actually go on to making some cool cash. So first of all guys, you want to just simply head onto this platform called CPAgrip. If you do go onto CPAgrip, you want to go on to creating a simple account right now. You can just simply click on register. If you do click on register, you should be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately and actually agree to the terms of service before you can get to click on register and create your account right in here. So once you do that guys, you can then just simply go on to logging into your account. If you do log into your account and you do come right here guys, to get to this page, which I'm actually right now, you want to come right here, click on monetization tools, click on URL file locker, and you should be brought to this page. All you actually need to do is to come right here, create a simple URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, and actually do click on continue. If you do that right in here, I'm just going to go into the template section and actually go to selecting maybe the capture template right now. Go back to general, and I'm actually going to name this something like ebook just for identification purposes right now. And right here for this section, you want to just simply change this offer text to complete an offer below to prove you're a human. And for this section, I can just simply click on complete the capture below to continue or to download ebook, because I'm actually going to be locking an ebook right now in this section. So once you've done this, you want to just simply go on to getting a very cool ebook, which you want to simply use for this particular section right now. And to get that ebook, you want to just simply go onto platforms like the freeplrdownloads.com. And right here guys, you could get ebooks on any niche of your choice. As you can actually see right here, niches are quite numerous. You could see niches right here ranges from the affiliate marketing, email marketing, health and fitness niche, the internet marketing, the jobs, and a lot of niches right now. So if you do focus on any niche of your choice, maybe I want to focus on the weight loss niche, I'm just going to come right here and search for weight loss. So once I head onto this section, search for weight loss right now, I will be able to see a lot of weight loss related ebooks, of which I can actually go on to downloading. If I download this right now, you can see this has actually been downloaded on my device. So once I actually do come right here, click on this ebook, this will be downloaded on my device. I can then just simply go on to use this ebook to my preference. So next guys, you want to head onto this platform called mediafire.com. And with this platform guys, you can actually go on to uploading that ebook for absolutely free and getting a link to that ebook. So if I do go on to logging into my account, as you can see right now, I'm logged into my account and I've uploaded the ebook right here. As you can see, the ebook is the weight loss and you. I can just simply click on this icon to actually copy the link to this ebook and log that in my URL file locker. If you do create an account, click on upload, come right here, click on this plus icon and select that ebook from your device, as you can see right now. So once you do that, upload that on this platform and you should be able to get a link to that particular ebook, of which you can head back to your URL file locker and log that in this particular locked URL. Once you do log that right there, just simply click on save and your URL file locker will be created. Now you want to just simply go on to creating a simple text right now about that particular ebook niche, which is the weight loss niche right there. So if I do head on to ChatGPT, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write something about the benefits of weight loss. So if I do ask ChatGPT to write an article on the benefit of weight loss, you can actually see right now that ChatGPT has actually begun writing this article. The title of the article is The Numerous Benefits of Weight Loss. You can see the introduction and other sections right in here. So once ChatGPT do generate this article, all you actually have to do right now is to actually go on to this platform right here called li.io to actually go on to using that article to convert that into a video right now. And that video is actually going to contain a very cool AI right there, or an AI presenter. So I'm just going to show you an example of videos that can be created with the help of this AI tool. So do take a look at this example right now.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a video with this AI called li.io.
So you can actually do see how cool and amazing that video actually looks like. All you actually have to do right now is to go on to sign up to this platform, and it is not absolutely free. If you do go into the pricing section, you will be able to see that you can actually create sign up for a free account, but you only do get 1 minute of free content or free credit right here. You could sign up with for the basic account, the advanced, or the custom plan. If you do come right here, you'll be able to see features of each plan, which you can actually do help you go on to identifying the plan which you can actually go on to purchasing right now. So once you do purchase any plan, log into your account, and you want to just simply come right here, click on create video. If you do create a video, I'm just going to go on to creating a video from storyboard right now, or I could just simply create a video with avatar only. And if I just select that right here, there are lots of numerous avatars which I can go on to using. Supposing I want to just simply use one that looks quite professional, I may just want to use this one. I'm going to click on this plus icon right now to actually create video with that particular avatar. So if I do that right in here, you can actually do see how it looks like right now. All you actually need to do is to just simply go on to, maybe you can add in other slides right here, and that slide is actually going to be okay. You can go on to changing the background images right now. Maybe if I just select this image, I can actually do use that in right here. I might just simply decide to stretch this image over the entire section and make this particular avatar come on top. Well, to do that right here, I'm just going to go on to clicking on select layer, and I'm just going to come right here. I can just simply move this image backward. If I move the image backward right now, the avatar is actually on the image. So what I'm going to do is to actually stretch this image right here to actually go on to filling out this section. So once that has actually filled out this section, I can then just simply drag my avatar and put it on any location which I actually do want right in here. So you can see how cool it actually looks like. You may want to add in some text right now, and I can just simply move my avatar to the corner, add in some text, and actually use that to my preference right here. So if you do edit each slide based on your preference, and for what the avatar is actually going to say, you want to just simply go on to pasting that in right in here. So what I'm going to do is to actually go on to my chat GPT and actually copy this text right here. So if I do copy this text right in here, I can just simply go on to copying this, head back to li.io, and actually paste that in right here. So this AI is actually going to come up with saying these exact same words which I pasted right in here. So if you want to just simply go on to changing how the AI voice is actually going to sound, you want to come right here, click on this particular voice, and you can actually do go on to changing the voices right here. As you can see, there are numerous voices which you can go on to using from various locations right now. You can see some are actually from other countries right here, and they are quite cool. Select one that is suitable to you and use that for this particular video. Once you are done actually creating right now, you could actually go on to maybe chipping in a very cool call to action, telling them that they can actually do go on to checking out the link in the description of the video for them to gain access to a very free ebook on weight loss. And if you do that right now, maybe you do add that in this particular section of what the AI is actually going to say. And if you do that, when you are done editing, select the aspect ratio, either the 16:9, 9:16, or the 1:1. What I'm going to do right now is to select the 16:9 and click on render. And if I do click on render, I can actually download this video on my device. Once the video has actually been downloaded, I can then just simply head on to platforms like YouTube and actually go on to clicking on this plus icon after creating an account on YouTube. If I click on this, I can just simply click on upload video. Once I do click on upload video, guys, it's actually going to go on to taking me to a page where I can just simply go on to selecting that particular video right now which I want to upload, and upload that on this particular platform. So I'm just going to come right here, click on select files, and you can just simply go on to selecting that particular video file and upload on this platform right now. So you could see right here that it's quite easy. But once you are uploading that video, make sure that the link to this particular URL file locker right here, if you do click on get link, copy the link, make sure that that link is actually available in the description of that video before actually uploading that video to go live. And if you do that, guys, for as many people that do watch that video and are interested in getting that ebook, we actually go into the description, check out that link right there, and go on to completing a URL file locker or complete an offer before they can actually gain access to that ebook. So you're actually going to be making money for every person that actually do complete an offer right now. So this is actually going to be a very cool strategy to make some cool cash with CPA marketing. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bell is always turned on all. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.